My name is Adalyd Gracia, and I am the founder of Pilot G7 and Mindset for Women by Adalyd. Let me invite you to boost your business with a structured project management. Ever wonder why proper project management is so important? It's like having a superhero on your team. Having a mentor is essential for any new project leader, but finding the right mentor can be a challenge. As a new project leader, you are likely facing a multitude of tasks and responsibilities. It all starts with assessing your current skill set and creating an action plan for improvement. It's time to lead the path to success and take your career to the next level by mastering project management skills and staying organized and on top of your business and clients' businesses.